All right, today was the day to do some mechanical stuff in the back. Owner wants to use the 150, which is a little more power, a little bigger engine, and also possibility of some competition stall. So getting a little bit of weight aft, it's not going to hurt that part of it. So here's the fuel tank, the 3-gallon fuel tank. Here's the opening in the belly, and so plenty of room. Let's show the mounting of that first. We've got the bracket up front, which is right here. Now if we go inside the airplane, we'll be able to see exactly how it mounts. Like, where do you start? What is the starting point in order to locate the tank? And what you do is you go in here, and as you can see, the middle rivet of the bracket is the last rivet in the aft bulkhead. All right, so you're gonna drill that up to a 1032. Take the second one up too, because we have to slide underneath the stringer with the bracket, and then there's going to be one on each side of that, and that locates the header tank in the airplane for you. So get that started first. Just kind of hold the tank up there. What we usually do is just kind of get a box, cardboard box, shove it underneath here till we get the right height. I trimmed that stringer just a little bit here, and that clears it. And we, like I said, used the middle existing hole and then one on each side. And that takes care of that. Now, how about in the back? Well, you're gonna grab the stiffener here and first bolt it to the tank. So you're gonna bolt it a couple of screws right here, and the same to the hanger in there. And then you bolt it to push the sides of the airplane, of course, so that you get maximum edge distance, and then bolt that to the stringers. And as you're putting it together, kind of just look and see which side of everything the bracket should be to line up perfectly. You want the tank to be 90 degrees to the vertical stringer. So this tank is 90 degrees to the stringer in the back there, which that puts the tank 90 degrees or level when you're flying. All right, so we built up the tank before we put it in, and got everything done. We're going to show the wiring as the next step. We've done everything we could so far up on there. We then built up a tray for the electrical to go in the back, which is kind of the first time we've done that with this tray, and that worked out good. Just built everything up on the tray just like it shows on the wire diagram and also in our other videos. Got the contactors, batteries, and all that. Trimmed this stringer just a little bit, and we were able to slide the tray down here alongside the beefier support at the back of the opening. Put some nut plates in and put a bolt here. Also put a bolt over there. So just a couple of nut plates and then screw that right in. Makes it nice and strong. Probably didn't need to, but also added just a hanger up to the existing cross brace, and made just a tiny little mount in this back corner, which is really just I call them zenith angles, all that angle that the kit comes with. And then put one screw somewhere in here. And just a couple of little rivets underneath the belly to hold the angle. So mechanically, that's all there is to physically mounting it. I did put a extension on here to have a drain for the header tank. Now when we've shown the mechanics of physically mounting the components, let's get to the wiring of the system. And stand by for episode 4, where the wiring is coming together